Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video. So twice I've come across the same problem, the black screen, um, and I've fixed it 2 times, doing the same thing. So what I've done is just I've taken the power adapter out of the PS4 and out of the wall, and also taken the TV plug out of the wall, and I've just let it, you know, left it out for a couple of hours, and I found that when I plugged it in hours later, yeah, it's back on. So if you guys are having problems, like I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube talking about like go in safety mode and unplug your TV while your PS4's on, also changing your HDMI. That didn't work for me. So yeah, if all the options that are on YouTube are not working, just unplug your power adapter from your PS4 and also from the wall, and also unplug your TV. Guessing the problem is caused by cache buildup, so like data that's built up on a TV that needs to be deleted or something. And I think unplugging the adapter from your PlayStation 4 and your TV kind of resets the TV, like gives the TV time to reset and maybe get rid of some old data that's overloading your electronics. Maybe I'm unsure, but yeah, it happens. Like for me, it happens like, yeah, a couple of months, every couple of months. So I'm guessing, and yeah, I'm guessing that's the problem. But I don't know. That's just a guess. But yeah, if you guys are having a problem, just try that out, and yeah, hopefully that helps. Okay, see ya.